In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Jira. This integration can streamline your workflows by automatically creating issues in Jira based on new records in Airtable. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to set up this integration effortlessly. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zap using Zapier. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and automates workflows. Begin by signing into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up is easy and quick. Once you're logged in, locate the Create Zap button. This is the first step in building your automated workflow. Now that you're ready to set up your trigger, choose Airtable as the trigger app. This means that whenever a specified event occurs in Airtable, it will trigger an action in Jira. You'll want to select either New Record or New Record in View, depending on your specific needs. Connect your Airtable account by entering your credentials to grant Zapier the necessary access. After connecting, select the base and table within Airtable that contains your tasks or requests. This is important because it tells Zapier exactly where to look for new data. After you've selected the correct base and table, it's a good idea to test the trigger. This ensures that Zapier is able to fetch new data correctly. A successful test will show you sample data from your Airtable, confirming that everything is working as expected. Next, it's time to set Jira as the action app. This is where things get exciting because you'll determine what happens in Jira when a new record is added to Airtable. Choose Create Issue as the specific action. By doing this, an issue will automatically be created in Jira whenever a new task appears in your Airtable table. Connect your Jira account in the same way you did with Airtable, by providing your login credentials. Then, select the Jira project you want to associate with these new issues. This ensures the issues are categorized correctly from the get-go, keeping your workflow organized. The following step is to map the fields between Airtable and Jira. This mapping helps ensure the right information is passed between the two platforms. For the task name in Airtable, map it to the summary field in Jira. The description field matches directly as well. Make sure to map priority to priority, assignee to assignee, and due date to due date. This allows for seamless data transfer, keeping your projects aligned across both platforms. After you've configured everything, it's crucial to test this Zap. Run a test to verify that an issue is successfully created in Jira. Once you confirm the test was successful and the issue appears as you expected, go ahead and turn on the Zap. And there you have it. With your Zap turned on, you'll now have a seamlessly integrated workflow, allowing your teams to stay focused on what they do best. Thanks for watching and happy automating.